Recently, Microsoft has announced that they are going to stop supporting the Windows XP operating system. This is important because there are literally hundreds of thousands of devices on industrial control systems deployed in factories and in mission-critical networks throughout the world. So the question becomes, how do you protect these assets from potential hackers or inadvertent access from either inside or the external network? One possible solution is the Belden-Hirschman brand of Eagle industrial firewalls. I'll show you just how easy it is to deploy this in an industrial setting. In this setup, we have a very simple mock network with a device that we wish to protect, connected to an industrial switch, and my laptop or an attacking device here on the far left side. So it's a 3-device network with a laptop connected to switch, connected to laptop here. As you can see, with no protection involved, it's very easy to identify and ping the device itself. And look at that, it didn't hit it. Okay, ready? Mm-hmm. Okay, so I've set up my laptop to be continuously pinging this device. With no protection in between that device and my laptop, as you can see, I'm able to have access to it. If I can ping it, I have access to it. If I have access to it, I can potentially compromise the system and impact the performance and operation of the network here. So, by deploying the industrial firewall here in between my attacking laptop and the device I wish to protect, we can effectively close down this door and make sure that there is no potential for compromising that asset. So we'll stop the ping, change the topology here so that my laptop plugs directly into this particular 2-port firewall. I will then connect the switch and the device I wish to protect onto the other side. This particular device is a 2-port stateful inspection firewall with a protected side going to the protected network that I wish to control, and then the outside network. It is effectively a one-way check valve, and this means that any communication which is originated from the protected side is allowed out of the firewall, and the responses to that communication are allowed back in. However, communication that starts from the outside network and tries to go through the firewall and onto the protected side is blocked. So we'll restart the ping here. And as you can see, the pings are stopped by the firewall. This firewall is in a factory default setting with no program installed whatsoever. It is a stateful inspection firewall, meaning that it's going to block any communication that originates from the unprotected network and is trying to access the protected network. If you wish, as a fully managed device, later you can come in and actually assign an IP address to this device and fine-tune and shape the traffic that you wish to allow for better traffic control on the entire network here. One of the beautiful parts about this scenario is that there's no domino effect. In other words, you can literally just install the device within 30 seconds like we've done here, and the network is back up and running. There's no secondary steps involved, so you do not need to upgrade any firmware, install a configuration if you don't wish. So at your convenience, and if you want, you can then come back in and shape the traffic and establish full rules. It's a very time-effective and therefore cost-effective solution for protecting not only Windows XP devices, but any type of network infrastructure that you wish to protect.